Okay, now I'll introduce the Lab1. The Lab1, they have 3 tasks. Task 1 is to using the joint mode to control the robot. And task 2 is using the world mode to control the robot. And task 3 is to create a 2-frame and using the 2-frame mode to control the robot. After the Lab1, you will know the difference between the 3 modes. Now, I'd like to introduce the Lab1. The Lab1 is you have to control the robot and putting this pointer to the hole on the block. There has 1 hole on the top and 1 hole on the side. So you're going to use 3 different frames. The first one is joint frame. You have to use a joint frame to control 6 joints separately to put this pointer into this hole and also this hole. And second, you will using the word frame, XYZ word frame, to put the pointer into the hole and also into the side hole. And second, you will using the 2-frame. First, you have to create your own 2-frame, like this XYZ, and using the 2-frame to put the pointer into the hole. And you will tell the difference between the 3 different frames. Okay, first I will try using the joint mode to put this pointer into the hole. So release all the emergency stop and click the confirm all and hold the deadman switch in the 2nd position and open the gripper and put this pointer So now let's control the robot. So when I select here, select to the joint mode, now I can control the 6th joint. So because I want to control the first one first, or maybe the 2nd one. Because it's very difficult, so I will try my best. It's very difficult to put a pointer into a hole using joint mode. It's very difficult, but I think I can do this. So you have to decrease the speed. Yeah, try to decrease speed when the pointer is close to the block to keep safe. I almost there. Okay, now I want to try in the word frame how to control the pointer into the hole using the word frame. And then now I want to put the pointer up and then run my home position program. So I hold the dynamic switch and press the play button. It will go home. So now I press here, select world. Now I can control the XYZ world frame. Now I click the dynamic switch and then running my robot go to the hole. Now it's pretty easy. Just forward and go down. And then moving in the XYZ direction. It's very easy to reach. Okay, I did it. And now I want to back to home position one more time by running the program called home. Okay, for task 3, we are going to use a tool frame to control the robot to the hole. But first, we have to create a tool frame for this tool. So in KUKA, they have a 4-point method. I'll show you how to do this. So first, press the KUKA button, and then select the Startup, Calibrate, Tool Frame, 4-point method. Number 2, we put number 10. And then the name may be the Lab1 tool. So we have to moving the robot to a specific point and then record the point. So I'm going to use in the world mode. I'll control the robot to the pointer. So when we close to the point, so just decrease the speed. The first point is straight down to this point. So make sure the pointer to pointer is as close as you can, but do not touch the point. Okay, this is my first point. Then I'll record this position as the first point. So I press the calibrate. Yes. And then I will go to the second direction. Same as the first point, try to as close as the pointer, but do not touch the pointer. Okay, this will be my second point. Then I click the calibrate. Yes. And now I want to go to the third point. We have using 4 different directions to the point, but the angle is minimum 30 degree. As close as you can, but do not touch the point. Okay, that's perfect. So I record the third point to my 4-point method. Yes. And now it's the last one. Okay, this will be my first point. Then I click the calibration. Yes. And it tells me some errors, but that's okay. And click next and save. Okay, done. I fully saved my 2 frame. Then I back to home and I want to test our program. So go home, select, and running the home position. So now let's test our 2 frame. So in the 2 frame, I have to select 2 frame, and then I just save as 10 our Lab1 tool. And now I'm in the 2 frame now. So 2 frame X should be towards here, and Y and Z. If I give some angle, you can see the difference. So my X will be and Y and Z. So if I rotate the ABC, and you can see the pointer here is never moved. So if the pointer is never moved, that means our tool is successful created. So now let's go to the side hole. The side hole is 45 degree. So if we control in 2 frame, and this will be very easy for us to reach that hole. You see, the 2 is 45 degrees and X is goes straight forward. And we can put our 2 here and rotating it. Rotating is ABC is rotating. So this is a 2 frame. It's different from the word frame and joint frame.